if you don't stand for something, you will fall for anything. A curious entrepreneur who is working alongside a dreamy-eyed team that building India's most loved food brand, Licious, Mr. Abhay Hanjura. Prior to founding Licious, Abhay worked as an investment banker at a Royal Bank of Scotland. He also worked as a consultant for PwC India and Ernst & Young. Under Abhay's leadership, Licious has become one of the leading fresh meat and seafood delivery companies in India. The company operates its own supply chain with a focus on quality and freshness of its product. Let's look at the 3 delicious lessons of leadership from this person. Number 1, identify the market gap. He identified that the gap in the market for high quality meat and seafood could deliver customers' doorstep, which in turn headed its success. Number 2, no compromise on quality. His focus on providing high quality products and meats seafood helped Licious to bring a loyal customer base. Number 3, being adaptable. His ability to adapt to the changing market conditions and make strategy shift helped Licious remain relevant and a highly loving brand in the minds of consumers. You as an entrepreneur, are you focusing on quality consciousness, or are you falling for mediocrity, falling for the price sensitivity of the consumer and making your quality go down? Question.